Everyone, I think it's time to make a review about my stay here at Voco, the Palm, Dubai. And this is only based on my experience, okay? So, magkakaiba tayo ng experience. Maybe when pagpunta ka dito, iba yung experience mo. But, eto lang naman yung I think masasabi ko or aking commentary about my recent stay. So first, let's go with the hotel's location. So the hotel's location is really, really nice, really, really good. It's posh. Lakas makasosyal, mare. Kasi, girl, it's the Palm, okay? It's a man-made island here in Dubai and talagang it's giving mayaman. Ganun yung atake. Like kung ikaw yung social, mayaman, artistahin, makinis, malambot, pukehan, gano'n yung atake mo, masikip, then this is the right place for you. Kasi ang daming affability, especially kung yun ang hanap mo, mare. Like, gano'n. Okay. And what is the reason of the stay? Okay, ako kasi, I work under the same company, kaya I have the discount. So, I wanted to experience what is a Voco Hotel Dubai, the Palm experience. So, at least, you know, when you're working in the same company, at least you can also recommend to other guests. Next time, kung meron akong guest na naghahanap ng na pumunta sa hotel namin, at least it belongs on the same company. Ganun yun. Yun yung purpose ko. And at the same time, I meet my friends here. My friend, hindi S, walang S. Dalawa lang kami nag-meet. And after that, umalis na kasi siya kasi meron siyang work, but naiwan ako dito for another day. So, nagpunta kami dito to relax and yes, mamaya ako nagkukwento kung ano yung iba pa. Okay, next is the room type. So, the room, as you can see on my background, is actually the deluxe king room. So, this is very spacious, especially kung dalawa lang kayo, okay na. If you have a child, then you can ask for an extra bed or a baby cot. They will provide it. I believe that the baby cot is free, however, the extra bed is chargeable. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano, but you can also ask them. You can go and visit their website and you can talk to their operator or their customer service. And by the way, their customer service is extremely good, like super, super good. What about the price? The price range is dito na nagkakaano-anohan dahil. For normal booker, like if you are not like me na nag-work sa same company, then it will cost you around 700 to 1,000 plus per night. Pero ako kasi, nakuha ko siya for 350 per night. Yeah, 700 plus yung binayaran namin. So, yon. And next is yung nearby attraction naman. There is actually a tram supposedly dito na malapit. Unfortunately, at the moment ay sira. Hindi naman siya sira. I think they're having a maintenance or something. Kaya yon, mahihirapan ka. So the only way to come here is either you take a taxi or if you have a personal car. And mall, there is a nearby mall which is the Jumeirah Mall where you can actually see the very famous The View na tinatawag nila dito sa Dubai, but you need to buy a ticket in order for you to go upstairs, go on the top and makita mo talaga yung overlooking ng buong The Palm. Yun ang pinakamalapit. And there are also a lot of restaurants around. Medyo hindi lang ako into it kasi it's not my type of food. Alam mo yun? Nasanay ako sa mga simple lang, mga tusok-tusok, mga ganun, Chinese. Basta yung very basic. Hindi ako sa mga komplikadong mga pagkain na ang hirap i-pronounce bago kainin. Tsaka Next is, yun na nga, parking availability. Yes, they have a very large parking space. Yes na yes dyan. So, hindi sila kukulangin dahil huwag ka lang magdala ng super extreme na 5 sasakyan kahit mag-isa ka. Charis. What about the surrounding, the area vibe? Is it quiet? Is it busy? Is it safe? Yes, it's actually very busy, girl. It's such a busy place. Grabe tong area na to. Diyos ko, walang tigil ang mga sasakyan. What great about the location of the hotel is medyo malayo naman siya sa road, mga isang building ang pagitan. So, not totally na walang mga dumalaang sasakyan kahit na city view na yung view ko. But, yung sa kabila, dung sa una naming kwarto, it's beside a construction. Kasi it's Dubai, come on. There will be always a construction everywhere. There are buildings everywhere, anytime, anywhere. Ganon. And the vibe is, it's giving me really very relaxing vibe. Kasi even on their lobby, talagang ano siya very sweet lang, very calm. Ganon, walang mga maiingay na bata. Parang it's really a hotel where you can really enjoy nightlife, mga ganon ang atake kasi they have a lot of there is a beach nearby where they are playing loud music and stuff. You can drink alcohol even though sa kanilang pool, I went there, bongga, daming alcohol. Pero maaga pa kaya hindi ako iinom. And may dalawang babae doon. Hindi na ako naligo kasi it's freezing. It's freezing, ante. Hindi ko kaya. Sa kakagigising ko lang. With the exterior look of the hotel, maganda yung design. Even the interior actually, the lobby, it's so clean. Simple lang yung dating hindi masakit sa mata. Kasi may mga lobby na masakit sa mata ang mga kulay. But here, love it. Simple lang. Hindi siya yung OA, hindi siya yung super extravagant, pero perfect. Ganon. Ganon yung atake. When it comes to the staff, napakabait nila be. From the receptionist, late na kasi ako nag-check-in during 2 days ago. But oh my God, she still makes me feel welcome talaga. Super smiling. You can really feel na mahal nila yung mga work nila. Kasi if you go on other hotels, you will really feel na stress nila, pagod na sila. But for that, I cannot remember the name. But all of them are so hospitable. Iba talaga yung atake nila, Mare. So, thumbs up na thumbs up. Yes, dapat ganun, Mare, sa mga hotel staff. Doon kayo pumunta sa mga hotel where they will really treat you really nicely, whatever your race is. Kasi may mga iba na races. I already experienced before in one hotel here in Dubai na parang may pagka-racist yung nilang receptionist and hindi na ako bumalik doon after that. Kasi yun naman ang binabalikan ng mga guests, right? The customer service. Even though hindi maganda yung room minsan, but if you feel na you are safe, you are, tawag dito, being treated well by the staff, then you keep coming back on that hotel. And this is one of that hotel, I must say na iba yung treatment. Like yesterday, di ba, we have a complaint about the noise issue and they immediately responded and I asked them that I need to move. And no hesitation, they said yes. And 12 o'clock, they're already calling me and informing me that, hey, your room is ready, which I didn't expect kasi room should be ready after 2. So, yes, another thumbs up. I'm so happy for that. And now, the check-in speed is very quick. Yes, very, very quick lang. Talagang, quick, precise, and perfecto. Tsaka, walang nasabi. So for the room tour, well, I am doing a separate room tour video for this. So makikita nyo, I'll be flashing them on the screen while I'm talking. The room size and the layout, the comfort of the pillow. The pillow itself is so comfortable. Para kang natutulog sa buhangin. Tsaka hindi yung malambot ang sinasabi ko. Para kang nasa cloud. Gano'n yung atake de. The bedroom, perfect dive. Perfect. I can stay here the whole day lying on their bed. Ganun siya ka-soft. Promise. And also the cleanliness. Cleanliness is unquestionable. They are very clean. Wala akong masasabi dahil walang alikabok, walang mancha sa mga kanilang linen, mabango ang kanilang corridors. Kaya, perfect din ako doon, Zai. Perfect na perfect din ang score na ibibigay ko sa kanila. And also the view, I don't have a good view here kasi nga I'm on a city view, but it's not that important for me. Especially if you're a tourist actually, is hindi na the view I think it's not very much important kasi the whole day you will be outside. Kaya hindi na siya masyadong importante. You will just be here inside the hotel after ng gala mo, after roaming around the city. So for me, I think that is depende na sa'yo. It depends on you. Ganon, ante. Also, the curtain, blackout curtain. Yes, there is a blackout curtain. Aircon is really good. It's very stable. Hindi siya patay-sindi. And it's really cold. Grabe, ang sarap matulog, girl. For the bathroom, the cleanliness and the smell is also very well maintained. I must say na talagang magaling din ang kanilang mga housekeeper. Talagang they are trained. And the water pressure is really good. Even the shower is easily, you can easily control the temperature. Unlike other hotels, I don't need to compare, but yes, it is what it is. And the towel quality is also nothing really special with the towel. Doon lang ako medyo nagkaroon ng ano tawag dito, ng doubt. Medyo questionable lang for me kasi considering the price, the location, and the brand. Parang on the towel, it should be thicker at least. Kasi for me, and the sizing, it's a little bit small. Even though I'm small, but it just feels small for me and thin. That's it. And for the shower amenities, there is one brand that they're using. Everything is nice also. It's very, very good. Kompleto be. Everything that you are asking for is nandun na sa kanilang bathroom. They have a shower gel, a body lotion, a shampoo, a body soap. They have a hand soap. They have a nail, a comb, a dental kit, a shaving kit, a vanity kit. So they have everything inside. Trust me. And they don't have they didn't provide me a room with a bathtub. So yon, kaya I will not be able to review about it. I don't think also, I don't know if they have a room with a bathtub, but for sure they have a room with a bathtub. Kasi there are some people who will demand a bathtub, right? Not everyone wants a standing shower, but for me, I don't mind. Doesn't really matter. But if there's a bathtub, mas okay sana. Okay, with the swimming pool, so yeah, yun nga, I went to their pool. It's really, really nice. The view is giving. It's an infinity pool, which you can really see the coastline and the view of the entire, the Palm and the Jumeirah. I-flash ko na lang dito sa screen while I am talking. And also the gym. The gym hindi ako nakapasok, be. Kasi ewan ko kung bakit hindi ako pumasok. Because I have nothing to do there. Pero based on the pictures naman online, it's good. And I have nothing to do in the gym, kaya hindi na ako pumunta dahil ayoko namang, I don't want to invade people's privacy while filming. I think it will make them uncomfortable while I'm filming and someone is doing work out there. Kaya I didn't go to the gym. I'm not a gym person also. With the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is it's really fast. Kasi I'm doing streaming yesterday and wala naman siyang lag. I didn't test the speed by speed tester or something, but it's very stable. I didn't face any problem. Kaya yes. And with the elevator is so small. This is my super concern. There is only 2 elevator, but it's so tiny talaga. Like, only 5 people will fit. I swear. Tapos parang na kayong sardinas na yun lang. Super tiny ng elevator. Wala. Grabe. For the breakfast, hindi ako nag-breakfast, kaya hindi na ako makakapagbigay ng review. But looking from the outside, the restaurant is giving mamahalin social, mapapagastos ka talaga, mare. Kaya alternatively, I've decided to go outside. And also, during the night, I order my dinner from an app, ganun dahil. Kasi I checked their menu on the room service in room dining and wala akong bet. I think mostly sa mga menu nila is mga Italian, American, something, and I'm Asian girl. So, yun lang naman. If you are really planning to eat on their restaurant or on their room service, there is only few selection of foods. Kaya hindi na ako kumain dahil. And medyo pricey siya dahil. It's giving pricey. Kaya yon, alternatively, you can you can order through online apps. Pwede yun, they will deliver it downstairs. Kailangan mo lang pumunta sa baba. At lastly, hindi pa naman pala siya last, yun nga, yung staff, yung friendliness nila, yung responsiveness nila, the quality of their service, and how they handle issue, I will give it a 9 out of 10. Bakit 9 out of 10? Kasi nga, while I was complaining lang naman, when I faced one of the receptionists, she's actually kabayan, I just felt like she doesn't want to help me. The facial expression ng ito lang naman, everyone is friendly. I'm not saying that she's not. Maybe she just started her duty and she's unaware about the situation that I'm having. Kasi I called before going downstairs to follow up with my complaint. But the way she responded me is just, I just felt that she is hesitant to help me, or I don't know, and the way she looks at me, parang there's something. But I understand, I also work in hotel, maybe she's just having something on that moment. But yung ibang staff naman, and that it's good. They are so good, especially the lady during the night. They called me twice. They do a courtesy call. How was your stay? How is the room? So with that gesture, you will really feel talagang you are special kasi, oh God, they are asking how's my stay. So any guest actually will take advantage on that to do a complaint pag iba. Pero for me, I feel valued as a guest, as a customer. Kaya, thumbs up. Grabe. Kaya, 9 out of 10. Now, what I genuinely love about this hotel is, yun nga, the staff, the location. Hindi ko lang talaga na-utilize yung ibang facilities. Pero maybe next time, maybe during summer, kasi yung pool nila, malamig yung tubig. And kagigising ko lang. So, I cannot dip into the water ng ganito kaaga. Siguro, kailangan ko magpakalasing muna bago pumunta doon. And what annoyed me is the noise. Yes, the noise beside the first room kung saan kami, kasi there is a very loud drilling sound. They even provided us an earplug, pero it's not enough. And I am not comfortable wearing earplug while I'm sleeping dahil. Kasi, ayan mo yun, hindi sanay. Hindi sanay na may nakasuksok doon sa aking tenga. Yun lang naman ang naging issue dito. And thank you nga dahil they responded so quickly and they moved me. And also, what needs to improve, so wala naman akong I think, okay, ito pala. They need to add at least more selection of food into their room service menu so that everyone can eat. They should consider also some Asian dishes or maybe Japanese or Chinese or anything, mga ganon. Not just plainly English or French or European na mga food. You know? Is it worth the price? It is. Super worth it naman siya, be. Di nga ako naligo kasi sa beach, di lang ako naligo sa pool nila kasi nga it's very cold and I am alone at the moment. Kaya I have no one to swim with me. So awkward for me. I'm having an anxiety if I will be there swimming alone and afraid that maybe shark will suddenly just bite my beautiful body. So this hotel is best for everyone, for family, for couple, for solo traveler. Everyone is welcome. And Would I come back? Of course, I will definitely come back here. Yung English ko pa lobat na yata, sis. And I will recommend this also to my friends, to everyone that I love, and to all the viewer of this hotel review. So that's it. I hope you learned something. I hope na nalinawan yung mga inyong mga question if you are planning to visit this hotel. Then, see you on my next travel. See you on my next hotel review. That is for today. I love you all and PM me if you want. Just bye!